In electrical engineering world, we have different type of maintenance, like preventive maintenance, corrective maintenance, and predictive maintenance. When we apply maintenance on electrical equipment, we use several electrical devices to test and monitor the equipment health. Today, we will learn different electrical devices on our maintenance journey. Consider subscribing in Electrical Engineering Planet channel to support our community. Also, don't forget to share, like, and let knowledge enlighten your world. We use the ordinary multimeter to measure AC and DC voltage, AC and DC current, and resistance in ohm. Also, we can use the buzzer feature to check the continuity test. We can also use multimeter to check diodes and to measure capacitance of a capacitor. Clamp multimeter is used to measure AC and DC currents without using any leads by just opening clamp and place it around the cable we need to measure. We use insulation tester or measure to check winding insulation of induction motors. For low voltage induction motor, we use measure with voltage up to 1000 volt. For medium voltage induction motor, we use measure with voltage up to 5000 volt or 10,000 volt. This medium voltage measure could be used to apply polarization index test. You can check the video of PI test in the description down below. We apply a high pot test on medium voltage motors and transformers using VLF or very low frequency device and AC high pot testing device. For medium voltage circuit breakers, we use circuit breaker timing analyzer to check the operating time, the closing time and opening time. Also, we use a micro ohm meter device that inject high current to check the resistance value in micro ohm in circuit breaker. We have also a grounding tester that we use to test the value of a grounding rod. Also, we have a clamp grounding tester that is used in closed loop grounding systems to check the resistance of grounding of any cable. We have also a thermal image camera that is used in predictive maintenance that could be used to detect the cold spots and hot spots or any equipment like motor, like an electric panel. These hot spots should be taken into consideration and make a maintenance on it to prevent any faults in the future. Of course, there are other equipments that we didn't mention today. If you have any other devices that we didn't mention today, please share it with us in the comments section down below, and in the next videos I will mention it. Consider subscribing in Electrical Engineering Planet channel to support our community. Also, don't forget to share, like, and let knowledge enlighten your world. Thanks for watching.